Alright, imagine this. You wake up one morning, step out of bed, and for a second your body feels heavy. Your knees don't hurt exactly, but they don't feel reliable either. Your back isn't injured, but you move slower because you don't trust it. You pick up something from the floor and your brain quietly whispers, "Careful." And that moment right there, that tiny hesitation, is the real aging process. Not wrinkles. Not gray hair. Not even the number on your birthday. It's the moment your body stops feeling dependable. Now here's the truth nobody tells you after 50, your body is not getting weaker because of age. It's getting weaker because it stopped receiving a signal. Muscles don't disappear with time. They disappear with disuse. And the good news? You can send that signal again. Today I'm going to show you 5 proven exercises that rebuild muscle after 50, improve strength, protect joints, and most importantly, extend independence. These are not bodybuilding exercises. These are longevity exercises. These are the movements that make getting off the floor easy again, climbing stairs automatic, and carrying groceries something you never have to think about. Stay with me, because by the end of this video you won't just understand what to do, you'll understand why your body actually wants to become stronger, even now. Let's start with something simple but powerful. The sit to stand. Right now, this single movement predicts life expectancy better than many medical tests. I'm serious. Your ability to stand up from a chair without using your hands is strongly linked to independence and survival in older adults. And the reason is simple. It trains your legs, hips, core, and nervous system at the same time. Here's how I want you to do it. Sit on a chair, feet shoulder width apart. Lean slightly forward from your hips, not your back. Push through your heels and stand up. Then slowly sit back down without collapsing. Slow is important. Control is everything. At first you may need your hands. That's fine. Use them lightly, then gradually rely on them less. What matters isn't perfection, it's repetition. Because every time you stand up, you're telling your brain and muscles, we still need strength. Do this 10 times. You'll feel warmth in your thighs almost immediately. That's not fatigue, that's blood flow returning to tissue that hasn't been challenged enough lately. After a week, stairs feel easier. After a month, your balance improves. After 2 months, you stop thinking about chairs entirely. And that's the goal. Not gym strength, life strength. Now once your legs start waking up, we add the second movement, pushing strength. Most people think push-ups are for young people. Not true. Push-ups are for humans. But after 50, we change the angle to protect shoulders and joints while still building muscle. Find a wall, kitchen counter, or sturdy table. Place your hands on it and walk your feet back. Keep your body straight like a plank. Now lower your chest slowly toward the surface and push back up. This trains your chest, shoulders, arms, and most importantly your bone density. After 50, bones respond to pressure. Without pressure, they weaken. With pressure, they rebuild. Don't rush. 3 seconds down. 1 second up. At first you might only do 8 reps. Perfect. Do 8 today, 9 next week, 12 next month. Strength after 50 isn't about intensity, it's about consistency. The body adapts slower than at 25, but it adapts longer. That's the hidden advantage of age. You're not trying to peak. You're trying to sustain. Now here's where most people miss the biggest muscle of longevity, the hips. Weak hips don't just cause pain. They cause instability. And instability causes falls. That's why our third movement might be the most important in this entire video. The hip hinge. Stand tall, feet hip width apart. Place your hands on your thighs. Now push your hips backward like you're closing a car door behind you. Keep your back straight. You should feel tension in the back of your legs, your hamstrings. Then squeeze your glutes and stand up. This movement rebuilds your posterior chain, the muscles responsible for posture, walking speed, and spinal protection. When these muscles weaken, your body compensates by bending the spine. That's when back pain starts. Do 15 slow repetitions. Within weeks you'll notice something amazing. Your posture improves without trying. Because posture isn't a decision, it's strength expressed through alignment. Now let's connect upper body pulling strength, something daily life constantly requires but almost no one trains after middle age. Think about opening heavy doors, carrying bags, pulling yourself up from a low couch, all pulling movements. For this we use rows. Grab a resistance band, or even hold onto a stable surface like a railing. Pull your elbows back and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Pause for 1 second, then release slowly. You should feel muscles in your upper back, not your neck. These muscles prevent rounded shoulders and forward head posture, the posture that silently steals breathing capacity and balance over time. 10 to 15 reps, slow and controlled. After a few weeks, your shoulders sit naturally farther back. Breathing feels deeper. Even your confidence changes because posture changes psychology. And now the final exercise, the one almost nobody over 50 trains but everyone should. Loaded carrying. Pick up 2 moderate weights, shopping bags or water bottles. Stand tall and simply walk. That's it. Walk slowly for 30 to 60 seconds. This single movement activates your grip strength, core stability, hip stabilizers, and reflexive balance systems. Grip strength alone is one of the strongest predictors of longevity ever discovered. When your hands stay strong, your nervous system stays active. You're not just walking. You're teaching your body to stabilize under load, exactly what real life demands. And here's the magic. When you combine these 5 exercises, standing, pushing, hinging, pulling, and carrying, you're not training muscles separately anymore. You're restoring patterns the human body evolved to keep forever. You don't need hours. You don't need a gym. You need signals. Your body isn't old. It's understimulated. Do these movements 3 to 4 days per week. Slow repetitions. Full breathing. No pain, only effort. And something incredible begins happening around week 3. Energy rises. Because muscle is metabolic currency. The more active muscle you have, the better your body manages blood sugar, hormones, and inflammation. You're not just getting stronger, you're becoming biologically younger in function. People often ask, is it too late for me? Let me tell you what's actually happening after 50. Your muscles become more sensitive to resistance training, not less. The response is slower but deeper. Younger people gain strength quickly and lose it quickly. Older adults gain it gradually and retain it longer because the nervous system prioritizes preservation once it recognizes necessity. In simple terms, your body protects what you prove you still use. And here's what I want you to remember. We're not trying to become athletes. We're trying to stay capable. Capability means getting off the floor without fear, carrying luggage without planning, walking without calculating distance, living without negotiating with your body. If you do these exercises consistently, 6 months from now you won't just feel stronger, you'll move differently. And the biggest compliment you'll hear isn't, you look young, it's, you move easily. Ease is the real youth. So starting tomorrow, take 10 minutes. Just 10. 1 round of each movement. Focus on control, breathing, and posture. Your body will respond. Not overnight, but reliably. Strength after 50 is less dramatic and more permanent. And the best part, once strength returns, motivation follows automatically. Because progress is addictive when it feels useful. I want you to try this for 2 weeks. Don't overthink it. Just show up and send the signal. Then come back and tell me what changed. Your stairs, your sleep, your confidence, or maybe that quiet fear of falling that slowly disappears. Because the goal isn't living longer. The goal is living capable longer. And that starts the moment you remind your body what it was designed to do.